Welcome to Lluc, the spiritual heart of Mallorca. Inside these walls lies centuries of faith, mystery, and mountain magic waiting to be discovered. Join me as we step inside the Sanctuary de Lluc.
This is Myrta. And in Mallorca, when we do a celebration, religious celebration, we do like a carpet on the floor. And there's the beautiful perfume of the leaves. Okay?
If you like 360-degree video, this is just one of many videos coming up on this channel over the next year or even more. So please like this video, subscribe to the channel. Every little bit you do helps us out so much. We move into the heart of the sanctuary grounds. This path is lined with the porchettes, once lodging for pilgrims arriving on horseback. As we get further down, we're going to see the statue of Antoni Maria Alcover on our left-hand side, a revered Mallorcan writer and language advocate. His legacy is deeply tied to the island's culture. The buildings you see around you were designed over centuries, each stone echoing tales of devotion, writers, pilgrims, and quiet contemplation. Take a moment here. You can feel how time slows down. This sanctuary is not just a building, it's a gathering place for faith, history, and nature all in one. This is the Magnolia Garden. It features a monument to Father Joaquim, a figure whose memory continues to live in the sanctuary's gardens and quiet walks. It's a space for reflection, a subtle pause before we climb higher. This viewpoint, the panorama opens up. Rugged hills, forested slopes, valleys stretching out towards distant peaks. It's a reminder that this sanctuary lives in the mountains, not apart from them. You can almost hear the centuries of pilgrims ascending, drawn by faith and the call of the heights. Now we step inside the basilica. Construction began in 1622 and was completed by 1691, built from the surrounding stone. Look at the altar. Behind it sits La Moreneta, the image of the Virgin of Lluc, known as the Black Madonna. Its darkened wood has come to represent devotion throughout the ages. Here, light filters through stained glass. The air is hushed, and centuries of prayer seem to linger. Under the dome, the sanctuary reaches its spiritual and architectural climax, a place where earth meets sky, stone meets story. Thank you for walking this sacred path with me today. If you feel the peace, the wonder, or the history, please hit that like button and subscribe. More hidden gems and 360-degree journeys await. Until next time, adios amigos.